Okay, this is the backyard. That's the neighbor's cactuses. Very nice array of plantings. Also along the wall. Another tree. I forgot to ask what kind of tree that is. I'll have to ask her. And over here was a hot tub. Is a hot tub, but it's not working. Another palm. I haven't even looked in here. Oh, there is a table and chair. Come out here and have coffee. Huh, that's our bedroom over there. This is really a family room.